Hello Tuggers, it's Alston. When this deal hits the market, it was really excited for me. It was a great deal for me because not only that it helps my personal site to protect itself from hackers, viruses and malware, but it also will help our client sites where we will be able to resell the services to the clients and so on. So today we are going to look into Astra. It's a security plugin where it will protect your internet application. It can be WordPress, Magneto, Shopify store, or any other custom HTML sites you might have, or even applications. Full security plugin which will help you to protect your website, which is really important in this kind of day where usually so many vulnerabilities are getting found on various scripts and themes, plugin, backdoors and all these kind of issues. For me personally, I like to use WordPress for my site, so I think it's really important to me to have at least couple of deals to get into to make sure that I'm safe. This is their website and they already have a professional established front, and you can see these guys have already been helping to find vulnerabilities in various popular brands and everything. And yeah, you will be able to see all the details and features and everything here. First, I initially wanted to do a review just based on the results I've been getting to the website, and once I'll be able to show the results and everything. But then I thought, why not should do the full review where I will cover on the process of getting your website added into the system, and as well as the results we'll be seeing the attacks it is stopping to the website. So this tutorial will be like a two-parter. The first part I will be showing you how we can add this website into the system. The second part is the actual results from the system. Okay, let's get it started. I have just started doing the process of adding the website into the system, but it's just beginning, so you can follow me through it. First, I have entered my URL. After that, I have selected the CMS, which is in my case WordPress. Based on that, I have gotten the option to download the WordPress plugin. Once I have downloaded into my computer, I have clicked download Astra plugin. Then it says to log into the WordPress and add into the plugins. And you can also see they have a GIF kind of image where they are showing us how to do it. So it will be easy for non-technical people and everything. Okay, let's go through this. First, let me go into the plugins, add new section, then upload. So I have logged into that and I have to upload the plugin now. Installing it now. Okay, now we can see that plugin has been installed. So let's go back into the system and we have to now activate it. Let's click on activate and let's click on activate here. Now you see Astra menu item. Let's go into the menu item section and yes, tick on that and click on let's log into the system. Looks like it has been already connected to the system automatically. Let's click on this thing and we can see the threat here and login activity here. Okay, so far okay, I think we have successfully connected our website to the system now. Let's click done. Okay, now we can see the dashboard of this plugin, where it has already stopped 2 attacks to the website within 1 minute. So it looks really cool, and it looks also user friendly for me. We can see overview like what 2 attacks. It also shows the graph of number of threads we found, and there are options to filter by the dates, and it shows how many tests in the website has been paused and kind of attacks and everything. It also shows the attack origin of the website, of the attack, sorry, and more details on it. To be honest, I'm not that much of technical guy, so if I'm safe, that's enough for me and for my clients. Let's look into the thread section. Here we can see the actual details regarding each of these threads. We can click on this plus mark to see the detailed version of it, and we can even unblock block this IP address, or we can whitelist it. We can add custom rule. For example, we can block a certain IP range, a specific IP, if you are getting attacked from that IP frequently, and or you can even block your certain country. So you can make rules, and there are exception list as well, where you can do more control over the security settings and everything. Let's look into the next tab. It's called Malware Scan. It's where we'll be able to scan our website on demand. Let's click on start new scan. Okay, now you can see that your site has been being scanned for malware and core CMS changes, and it also saying it may take up to 30 to 60 minutes. So what I will do is probably I'll discuss the other settings now, options, and probably once the video features are finished, I will pause the video and I will show you guys the results of this scan. Okay, let's check into the login activity page, and same if you have a team user and everything, it will show you the login activity of each record, so you will be able to see the details. And let's go into the settings. Here you will be able to change the core settings for this particular website on your thing. We can switch it off or on the Astra protection, and the Astra mode, it's where we say the Astra whether to block the threads if you found, or just monitor them. We don't want to block, just report to us and we will personally manually review it. And it will check the Astra version, security level which you want to keep for your website. I prefer medium. Low, it can lead to many threads to be allowed into the website, and so it sometimes may block the real user, so I like to keep it in medium. And here we can get an embedded seal like trust security side we get for SSL certificates and everything like that. We can get a certificate for this malware scanning, which increases the trustability for the user when they visit the website, because they will know this is a safe website to browse or shop in. Okay, here we can download the plugin, WordPress plugin in my case again, and allow 14 characters. Let's say for example, if your website has non-alphabet characters in your URLs and everything, you can switch it off to allow or off. These are credential. If you these are advanced settings to reconnect and everything. File upload rules, add a team member, Slack notification. This is actually one feature I'm looking forward to it. They are saying it will coming soon, so I will keep an eye on it. And also this is just an overview review, so I will do a full review once I got the all the features coming out and I have tested it extensively. I will do a full review. And they also have a GDPR bar notification, so it's really easy to add compliance to your users and so on. Okay, that is the core section. Let's take into the community security tab. This is another cool feature. I just noticed it, where we can activate a plan. So it's like a bounty plugin platform where can set a certain bounty, like we will list your anyone who finds vulnerabilities in our website, we will list into all of fame. We can give a small cash reward if you really want to keep this your security of your website tight. This is another excellent way to get most out of this plugin. You can even contact their support to ask more details on this. And you can see I got a notification. Looks once I have ran the malware scan, it has started to identify more threats on this website. So it's really interesting. To be honest, this website is been hosting on WPX hosting, which is the most really good hosting. So let's see what happens. And we also have a support tab where you can submit a ticket and search knowledge base and all those things. But the core feature of this thing is we want to block all the threats to our websites and application, and I think it's doing a pretty good job so far. And you can see that the threads are getting automatically blocked on the real time. We have just logged in another report of the thread, and you can see the malware scan is still running. So I think the overview is done. I will stop the video now, and I will hopefully wait for this malware scans to finish. Once that is done, I will come back and show you the results. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I just finished the malware scan. It took over just 5 to 10 minutes, but it shows 6 minutes. There are 9K files, so no issues found. That's a good sign. So I think the Astra protection is now on my website, and the scan is good, and we can start the scan whenever we want. And we can even have one manual malware checkup with the team, and more details about the technicalities of this and timing and cooling period you will be able to find on the deal page, and as well as been on the frequently asked questions page. Okay, I think that's pretty much covers the basic thing which you want to see. So I hope if you think this tool is perfect for you, I will encourage and appreciate if you can buy it through my affiliate link on this description below, which will give me a small commission, and it will encourage me to create more videos like this. And that's it from me. I'm Alston, and see you in another review video. Thank you.